Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have the Shure MVL Lavalier microphone, which I'm currently using in this voiceover. Moving on, I purchased this for about 90 Canadian dollars including tax, and at the time of purchase it was 16% off. So the thing that led me to purchasing this microphone was that my previous microphone was causing me issues in many ways, which I'll expand on later. And I wanted a microphone which is able to capture my audio no matter the distance between me and the camera. So this led me into looking for lavalier microphones. And after listening to many sound test videos on different lavalier microphones, I ended up really enjoying the audio quality on the Shure MVL Lavalier mic. As I said before, my previous microphone was causing me a lot of issues. This is my previous microphone. This is the newer NW800. And the issues first arised into the stand. This is the newer stand as well. All these products on the table you see here are from newer. These are all pretty budget products right here. The stand itself was, I believe, about $20 to $30. The microphone was in the same range, and the phantom power box over here was, I think, maybe $35 or $40, something like that. So they're all pretty budget tier products. So I'm not surprised that they all broke down in, I believe, 4 to 5 years. But all right, so the issues arise in the stand first, and the stand always creaked pretty loud, but lately it's just been making random noises just during the video, and so it would ruin the audio and it would really affect the sound quality, so I did not want to deal with that anymore. The shock mount, I believe this is called, I forget the specific name, but the threading inside here really just rubbed off, and it would just hang on to the part that it's supposed to screw onto, so the microphone just never stood still. It would just like fall towards where gravity was pulling it. And this is the clip that would clip onto the table, which would hold up the stand. This was never a good clip. When I would move around the stand, the clip would also move around. It was not very stable, and also it broke apart. As you can see, there used to be a little plastic piece which increases surface area so we can like have more friction against the top part, but it actually got deformed a little bit since the amount of pressure I was putting on when screwing this onto the table just ever so slightly bent it more and more. And so now it's really not all too usable, I'd say. So moving on to the microphone only recently started causing me issues. About half of the audio I'd record from this microphone would have a lot of background noise, which really confused me because the room I record in usually doesn't have that much background noise. So I assumed the problem did come from the microphone or the phantom power box itself. I tried taking off cables, reconnecting them, switching power ports, all that kind of stuff. But the problem really did not seem to disappear. And also just setting up this whole microphone to use on a smartphone just took a whole lot of time and a whole lot of space. And it was really hard to hide, honestly. And another thing, to connect this to your phone, you would need to purchase an adapter. And for the phone that I used to record, I needed to purchase another adapter to connect the audio cable in. So just a bunch of adapters on top of adapters. And I would have to use this app called Open Camera on my phone, which would allow me to record audio using this microphone directly into the video. So later on in post-production, I wouldn't have to sync up the audio and it would save me time. But the issue is, Open Camera only limits you to 30 FPS on certain phones, I believe. So for my device, it limited me to only 30 FPS, which honestly made the videos look pretty bad compared to 60 FPS, because 60 FPS really does look buttery smooth compared to 30 FPS. But anyways, I've been talking nonstop for way too long. We're gonna move on to the benchmarks, I guess, or audio tests, I guess you could say. The benchmark will contain 3 microphones: the Shure lavalier microphone, which I unboxed today, the newer NW800, and the microphone on my phone. So those 3 microphones will be in the benchmark, and I will be reading a tongue twister, Peter Piper, I believe, in the test. And so you can judge the audio quality for yourself and make your own assumptions based on that, I guess. So here are the results. Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Pepper picked. If Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Pepper picked? Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Pepper picked. If Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Pepper picked? Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Pepper picked. If Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Pepper picked? Alright everyone, so that's going to be the end of the video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer those questions if I can. And see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.